hop in here. Oh, perfect. We've been to this university before at different places. Now we're going to talk to someone from Kiosk.
Hi.
Hello.
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm a researcher at Kiosk, stands for Korea Institute of Aviation Safety and Technology, and we are presenting our booth here.
Great. Well, tell us a little bit about your organization first, and then tell us what you brought.
So Kiosk is a public organization specialized in aviation accidents prevention, and we do certification and testing, research, and technology developments. In case, so we try to prevent anything related to accident from happening. So that's our job, and we are a sub-branch of the Korean government. So the Korean government sets global scale or local scale agenda for aviation, and they delegate some of their responsibilities to us, and then we take those responsibilities and then we implement it. So what we're presenting here is our booth, and so this is a movable car. So this car basically tracks drones that are flying.
Oh, really?
Right.
Oh, good. That's what the technology up there is for. And you can take it around, and it's all connected to some kind of like command central database here. And
Right.
so how many drones at a time? Do you know how many drones at one time it can track?
It can,
Like 5 or 10 or I have no idea.
we're actually tracking one drone.
Well, right. Oh, okay.
We have
How does
this
this?
is an aviation facility.
Oh, so this is the whole thing for a drone.
Right.
So, like for example, where would you use this, or who would benefit from using this one?
So we have, so in case a drone is flying to map the area, it has to map around about 3 or 5 kilometers. But because it's hard to track the drones, so this car is actually following the drone.
Oh, okay.
So it helps the drone map the area.
Right.
And then we get those data from the drone, and then my computer actually shows the data on the screen.
So live data tracking.
Right, data tracking.
Great. And so, and what do we have over here? Is this one of the drones that you guys use?
This is one of the drones that our company supports, but it's just for a demonstration.
Just for demonstration.
Right.
So the main thing here is this, the capability of able to do like real-time mapping, real-time, is that the right word? Real-time mapping?
Real-time mapping.
Real-time mapping.
This is one of the things that we do, and then the main job we do is we run the government's businesses.
Okay.
So we have this what we call Drone Air City, and then Drone Regulatory Sandbox Project.
Where is that?
What that stands for is, so we basically help supply and demand meet. So we have a local city that has its own needs, and then we have drone companies that have the capabilities.
So like an intermediary helping bring people together.
Right.
Got it. Well, thank you so much. Is there anything you want to say before we leave? Anything you'd like to mention?
So drone industry is very booming, and it's one of the areas that our government is so focused on developing. And like you're experiencing here, we have a lot of drone companies and organizations that come together to develop the drone industry.
Great. Well, thank you so much for talking with us. I appreciate it, and good luck with this week.
Thank you.
Thank you.